These viral Vox Style Animation tutorials are everywhere, and you have seen tons of video on YouTube about how to create this. But all the process are so lengthy and complicated, but I will show you how to make them for free and in just 3 minutes. But before that, see what we are going to create today.
September 29th, 1982, Chicago, Illinois. 12-year-old Mary Kellerman takes an extra-strength Tylenol capsule before breakfast and collapses within minutes. By nightfall, 6 more people are dead across the suburbs. Investigators trace every death back to poisoned capsules sitting on store shelves. Someone had opened the bottles, injected potassium cyanide, and resealed them for sale. Johnson & Johnson pulls 31 million bottles nationwide. The FBI names a suspect. He is never charged. The killer was never found.
So let's start. And one more important thing to get the prompt link, drop a comment and I will share the prompt link. First, open this Google Drive link from the description, and here you will see 2 assets. Download both of them. After that, open the prompt 1 document and copy the complete prompt. Now open any chatbot. I am using Claude AI. Paste the prompt there and hit enter. Claude will ask you to attach the source PDF. So simply upload the PDF you downloaded from the Google Drive and hit enter. Once it's processed, Claude will suggest a few niche ideas. Choose any niche you like. I am selecting the crime documentary niche. Just type its number and send it. Next, Claude will generate multiple video ideas for that niche. Again, choose your favorite one, type its number, and hit send. After that, Claude will ask for the video length. You can select any duration you want. For this demo, I am choosing 30 seconds. Now Claude will generate a complete voiceover script. You'll need it later. So for now, just type proceed and send it. The prompt will now generate your beats. Once that's done, type next, and Claude will generate an image prompt for every beat. Download this prompt file because we'll use it in the next step. Now open Flow AI to generate all the images for free using automation. Select the image option, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and choose Nano Banana 2 as the image model. And one more important thing to get the prompt link, drop a comment and I will share the prompt link. After that, open your browser and search for Zappy Flow. Click Add to Chrome, and once the extension is installed, go back to Flow AI. Click on this icon and select Zappy Flow. When the extension opens, turn off this option here. Now upload the image prompt file you downloaded from Claude and click on Start Generating. Wait for a few minutes and it will automatically generate every image and even download them into a separate folder. Once all the images are ready, go back to Claude and type Next. Claude will now generate a universal video generation prompt. By default, it's made for a 10-second video, but if you're using the free plan, it will consume more credits. So simply type, "Could you change the duration to 5 seconds and not 10 seconds?" Claude will now generate the updated 5-second prompt. Copy it and go back to Flow AI. Switch to the video option, choose Omni Flash as the model, and set the duration to 6 seconds. Now select your first scene image. Click Add to Prompt, paste the prompt, and hit enter. Repeat the same process for all the remaining scene images. Once all the videos are generated, go back to Claude and scroll down to the voiceover script. Copy it and open any voiceover platform. If you're looking for a free option, I recommend Google AI Studio. Paste the script, choose any voice model, click Run, and download the generated voiceover. Finally, open any editing software, import all your assets, place the voiceover on the timeline, and arrange all the scene videos according to the narration. Once everything is synced properly, export the project and your documentary video is ready. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want a video on any other topic, just drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.